Hey guys, this is Julie from Crafty Beach on YouTube, and I have a couple of quick, easy Dollar Tree Easter DIYs. Aren't these new signs cute? I don't really like the way that the hanger was on there, so I just shortened mine a little bit. And it looks like it has a picture of a rope on it. So let's go ahead and replace that with some real rope. Using the Dollar Tree rope, we are going to line this cute little bunny rabbit silhouette. I love the blue color with the white flowers on there. I think it's really cute. And it has the word welcome on there. It's pretty nicely done. I really enjoy the Dollar Tree signs that aren't covered with all of the glitter. I just go all the way around with the rope, starting and stopping there in the same corner and blending that together. Now mine did have a little bit of a tear on the bottom of it, so I do want to add some carrots down here, but I think the carrots are really cute anyway. I'm just going to use 3 of the little Dollar Tree orange string carrots and glue them right here in the middle, 2 of them tilting out. And then I thought I would add a little pop of color to the hanger. I went ahead and shortened it, but I thought I would change out the blue beads for orange beads to kind of go with my orange carrots, bring a little bit more color in there. So just using some of the Easter wood bead garland from the Dollar Tree, I switched those out. This is how the first DIY turned out. Really cute and so easy for Easter. The next DIY, I designed a free printable. It's P Cottontail Egg Decorating Company, and I will try to include a link down in the comments below this video so you can print out yours. I just printed mine out on regular white cardstock, and I'm going to add it to one of these Dollar Tree wood frames. These are almost exactly the size of an 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. You only have to trim it down slightly. The only thing I don't like about them is the unfinished frame on the front, so I just painted mine with a couple of coats of pink just to provide some color for this DIY. And I wanted to get that done and dry before I add my printable. You really only have to trim down the very edges on this if you print yours out 8.5 by 11. And so I am just trimming mine with a paper cutter just to make sure I get some straight lines and making sure I don't cut it too small. I want it to be just right, and this is going to give you the look of a canvas if you use Mod Podge. So I'm going to do Mod Podge. You can do a nice thick layer, add your cardstock. You don't have to worry about it wrinkling or anything because the paper is thicker, and then you can go over the top of it with more Mod Podge to seal. Just make sure that your printer ink is sealed, and I just go over that and seal my sign. Super cute, a really fun image I designed. I think it's really cute for a classic Easter of Pete Cottontail sitting there painting his Easter egg. Now you could hang this. I wanted mine to be a standing sign, so I'm just using one of those Five Below wood blocks there to the back, just a piece of wood to make it stand up on its own. And here is how this one turned out. So fun and easy for Easter.